Hello, my beautiful people. I greet una again. Today we don't come again as usual, as una know as we dey do, and today na another day we don't come. Today we go speak about this particular paper and we go speak about this particular paper front and back. Now we go talk about today. Also we go talk about Italian, their election wey won't come on 24th of January this 2022. And again today we go talk about some benefits, some bonuses where they will still start again. REM, ready to the emergency, and bonus for seasonal workers. All these bonuses we go talk about the matter, and as I said, and how to renew the easy, and some of the things, the requirement, because in 2022 to renew the easy, it not be like 2021 the way we take renew the easy or how we take apply the easy. So you where you not get the easy and you where you want renew, we go let you understand the new update, how you go take do one where your easy it not go affect you. As last year many of una go apply bonus, your fellow friend they go pay, and by you your own they no pay you, because most of the times according to IMS, if your easy no make sense, you know declare the correct things where you suppose use, they go apply the easy. Most bonus you go request but they no go pay you. You go think say na your family they do you, but because you no follow the correct procedure. Now, before we go continue in this video, please, if you never download TapTapSend, try your best now. May you go download TapTapSend. TapTapSend now best application, best of all app. Where be like say if you want use and send money go Nigeria, now the easiest one. One thing about our application, even though you not get bank account for Niger, you go still send money through the TapTapSend by cash pickup. You go just put the person, the recipient, in name and in phone number. That's all. You go push the money go. Not forget to use my promo code. If you use that, they go dash you £10, $10 or €5 if you are using euro. You understand? The promo code now Gloria, GLORIA. So please try your best. May you go your place to go download TapTapSend. Now the best app. Now before we go in, explain everything in details. Let's start from let's start from the renewing of the easy. Now be the first thing where we need to do. My people, the easy now be waiting the rain. Now most of the people not get easy, and now they won't go apply for the easy. So most of them they ask say how I go take apply. If you never apply easy before and you won't go apply, the first thing where you need to know easy, even though you dey camp or you dey outside camp, you go fit do easy. It no matter where you dey, even though you still get dey camp, you go fit apply. So far as you get your 6 months sojourner, or you get any paper or yellow sojourner or any other Italian permit, you go fit apply. So far as you get your codice fiscale, carta di identità, you go apply your easy. If you read the CAF, waiting CAF go request from you. So these things where CAF go request in case if you want apply new and in case you want renew, now the same requirements now you need to apply and to renew. But this 2020 they don't change the rules and regulations. So the new one where don't come now, don't print and come out. I need to explain for you. Now the first thing where you need to do, you need to go to your bank. Either na Intesa San Paulo you dey use or Posta now you dey use. Bank where you take they receive your money, your payment, any payment, you go there. If you go, you get wetin you go tell them say you dey fine. The paper name na Giacenza Media 2020. Giacenza Media 2020. Giacenza Media 2020. So that one in normal in English now be your the overall bank details of a year 2021. You understand? Your bank statement of 2021. Now you go print come out so that they go know how much you they get or how much they enter your account throughout the year. So this one a first paper where you need to go your bank, whether na Posta, whether na Intesa San Paulo, whether any bank where you they use, go there. When you tell them say you need Giacenza Media 2020 2020. No be 2021 on, no be 2019 on, 2020. The name I will write and put for the WhatsApp group, and under the normal comment description, I will still put them for them because the name maybe it go hard for you. Giacenza Media. If you want apply new, you go carry this same thing, and if you want renew this year, you go still go carry this same paper from your bank. Now, one of the different things again where you need to be aware in this 2020. For example, if you with your husband una dey under the same residence, you with your husband need to do one Izel, una name need to dey under the Izel. So in case you the woman, you know they work, but your oga they work. So your oga in working where in they work, the code where they give her, you understand that the rate your code where they give you every year. This year you go bring the code of 2020. Code where your guy give you for the work where you work in 2020. You need to carry and follow body, because if you not carry that thing go, you go declare your easy. Now there it will come the result. Most of una when I go apply some bonuses, they go decline on, they not go accept on. So if you want to do the correct easy, you need the Giacenza media, and this 2020 you need to bring your code. This 2022 you need to bring a code of a year 2020. So anybody where you get working contract for Italy here where you don't work, they give you code every year. So your code of 2020, you go carry and give your wife with your codice fiscale, carta di identity, and everything. Your wife, you go carry and go do the easier for you. Most of the times, most of una be husband and wife, even though una never do common marriage, but una they do mistake where that mistake go fit affect una for future. Why? You go see say husband and house dey house, woman get your own easy, man get your own easy. My people not try say you want trick IMS, because that calf where you go do the easy, no be calf they do easy. They are on to send your information to IMS. So who they do easy na IMS. So IMS, the moment where they tap your husband codice fiscale, they don't already know where your husband they stay. The moment where they tap you on, they don't already know where you they stay. So that mistake, I beg more na try on our best. More na do waiting go make sense, so that some bonuses will go come this 2022. You know go lose this particular bonuses where they come. But in case maybe you with the man when I don't marry, when I don't born, but the man know they stay under that particular residence where you dey. That time the man go fit do your own easy. You the woman with the children when I go get on our own separate easy. Mind you, why this easy issue is very important in this 2022 where we don't enter. Most of the bonuses like bonus baby, bonus mama, they go cancel all these bonus, put them for this new universal bonus where they don't bring come. So if you do mistake, say your easy not correct, and you submit the application for the bonus before you go know throughout 2020, you not go get any bonus from the government because of wrong easy where you do. So this easy issue is very important for you to present all the things where be like say they go request from you. For example, if you get house contract, you need to carry your house contract, go there, go show them, make they know say you they live under your own roof, under your own apartment, which that one it go still help you a lot. It's very, very important. If you don't buy motor, say you get your own motor, you need to declare in your easy. Please, my people, more now listen it very carefully. Now, moving from the easy to another news. It's about the new decree. The new decree where they say they will still approve highest by middle of this January. Now they say from now up to the January go end, they will approve new decree. This decree, some things where they inside where go help. According to the report, they say they will still give us another ready to the emergency. If the decree come out, now waiting rumors where don't come out from the parliament. And again, people who now they do seasonal work, you understand? They said they will still put another subsidy for them. For us, so that we go feel benefit on that, because now the state of emergency they don't already extend that, and still the coronavirus, the other branch where they call an Omicron, it don't they take over everywhere. So now it's good idea if they agree approve or put this REM and the seasonal workers bonus put. I think it will help me and you. Now moving into another news without wasting on our time, because the video is up to 10 minutes now. We are going into Italian election. Now, this matter, maybe if you be migrant, you go say blacks in Europe, waiting concerning me for concerning Italian election. My brother, it concerning you a lot, because any government where they come, now they bring the law where the law go come favor me and you, or the law go come go against me and you. So it's very important for us to know about how their election it won't go on the 24th of this of January 2022, 24th of January 2022. Now election go come on. Maybe you they ask say which election they won't do, so they won't choose another president because their president where they now, which is Sergio Mattarella, in time don't end, so they need another president who go come take over. Maybe you the reason say na Salvini they come. No, that particular position, Salvini never read there. No be there, Salvini they go. Salvini they fight for prime minister and interior minister, and then be Salvini side. Now, the two choice of people will be like say most of Italians they say maybe these two people now they go feel win to become the next president in Italy is the current prime minister, which is Mario Draghi the Dragon, or Berlusconi. If you now don't hear that man name, Berlusconi, now one of the popular men in European, one of the billionaires where they Italy here. These two people, 9 people they think say yeah, likely for them to win to become a president, the next president in Italy. But me and you, waiting concerning this election, now I won't tell you. When I not say this prime minister where they so he not be politician at all. So now all in law where in they do, he know they do one in favor of any party, you understand? So if this man stand to be a prime minister or continue to be a prime minister, I think we will be immigrants in the country, we not go get any headache, because the moment where this Mario Draghi go come out for the prime minister, go for presidency, if you win now, move to the president. Now they need to do election, or they need to appoint another prime minister where won't make law for Italy. Now, which are the people where they will feel win to become a prime minister? If you don't know anybody, you know say Salvini is one key person where likely for him to win to become a prime minister, another prime minister in Italy here. Who don't know Salvini? In 2018, you know what Salvini can do. A lot of migrants, Salvini messed them up. So this election, all my prayer say, okay, I know if you pray, say, may Mario Draghi not win the election because the man, na good man. If he become president for Italy, he good. But my point, when me won't make in this video, say, if Mario Draghi win to become the president, now the position as a prime minister, they need to do election. And the election, there is 2 things involved. Either Salvini go win, either 5-star movement go win, either Giorgia Meloni, that woman will be like say any bad thing about migrants now in the report. All these bad people now they go feel become the next prime minister in Italy. So we need to pray hard and see how things they go on the 24th. You where you get vote, you need to go and vote and see how things they go on. Recently, according to Giorgia Meloni, with one of her partners, they don't come and say Italy people they misuse their money just on migrants. You understand? They know they focus on the Italians. Will be like say they even get the country. All the money they just the rubbish and on immigrants. Will be like say they from another person country. They don't come here. So things they go on in the country. This election we go monitor and we go see who will go become the next Italian president and who will become the next prime minister in Italy. That part now be the most dangerous part, because that election, if you come, I bet you Salvini get more chance to win the election to become a next prime minister. And that one, I know say all the migrants where we dey here, nobody they happy say may Salvini come back again, because in 2018, what did Salvini do? Me and you, we see her well. Now, my people, before we go end the video, please like this video, share the video to all your loved ones. My loved ones where they the platform, the WhatsApp group, I greet all of you. Now, Africa Cup of Nations don't start. Africa Cup, our own land, our motherland. They do Africa Cup in Cameroon. Yesterday night they started. Today my country, Ghana versus Morocco. Ghana versus Morocco. Now they will play today. So my people, may we still put eye in our country so that we go see the country where we go win. The best teams where I want me to crash is Ghana and Nigeria. May we see who be who. Whether we go still use Nigeria take players, we they use them olden days. So the Africa Cup, I beg, more than put eye. May not come like say if they play Champions League, if they play Copa America, European Cup and all those things, we go focus. But if you come to our own, we know the focus. So please today, Mona catch the Africa Cup from now up to February. 9 days Africa Cup of Nations they go on. Mona still follow up. All the WhatsApp group friends, I greet everybody. Greetings to my own lovely wife Gloria, and greetings Greetings to Ben Greg, Balance Well, Faith Williams, the likes of Favor Love, the likes of Chris, the likes of MC Black the comedian, MC Chaplet, who again? Yeah, all the people who on the WhatsApp group. I know they remember all of una name, but the WhatsApp group people agree to now. You where you never join, you go still can't join. The last of Aponchi in Germany, I greet you. Kids Obio, I greet you. All the people, Success TV family, I greet you on the platform. Gift, I greet you also on the platform. Matthew, Oga Matthew, I greet you. Mohammed, I greet you. Giovanni John, I greet you. Yes, Giovanni John, I greet you. Lovette, also I greet you. Yes, all of una where they, I know if you mention all the names, and thanks to all the loved ones una where they share the video, una where they subscribe to the platform. So please focus on your ears. If you don't understand anything, just WhatsApp me on 3510851685, and there I will reply all your questions. This is Blacks in Europe TV. We remains the Blacks Hope.